All right, welcome back to the shop. It's been a while. You had to forgive the audio. It's kind of an echo in here. I wasn't smart enough to check the batteries in my wireless mic before I came down, so I'll do my best. So anyway, we're going to change the axle seals. Tractor's up in the air, tires are loose, clamps are loose. So let's get the tire off and get it fixed. That's backwards. I know the wall won't move. I hope. Alright, that's it. I gotta make a gasket for it. Gotta get all this out and make a gasket. So once I get the gasket made and ready to go back together, I'll come back and we'll finish this side up and move to the next side. So stay tuned. Okay, I've got the felt seal in, the leather seal in, got the gasket made. So let's put it back together. There. Belt seals just to keep the dust out anyway. And you can see it's tight. All right, it's on. Let's check, make sure I'm 8 3/4 inches. So that's it. We're going to tighten this up and move on to the other side. And when I'm done, I'll come back and we can see just how dirty I can get changing the axle seals by myself. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Welcome to all the new subscribers, which I should have said earlier. And thank you very much for the continued supporters of the channel. We'll be back in just a few. All right, here we are at the end of another video. And yes, I'm tired. Working all day and then come home and putting axle seals on this can wear you out. But it's done. Everything's ready to go. You've seen the first one. Second one is just like it, except it went a little bit smoother because I wasn't trying to run the camera at the same time. So the reason this one was leaking is because the seal was not seated correctly in the axle cap, and that one had just old and wore out. So But everything's back together. I don't feel like moving things around. I've got to do an errand right quick before I go home. So, but that's it. Later on this week, well, tomorrow we're gonna move the chassis out of the paint room over to here. So once the parts start coming in, I can rebuild it. I still have to paint the transmission mount, the rear end, and the spindles. And that's it for the painting of the frame, because everything new coming in is already going to be powder coated. So that'll be over here, and Saturday we're going to run up to Burlington and pick up the body and the doors and the fenders and stuff. He called me today, said everything would be ready for me Saturday. So be ready for a short. We'll get a good look at that when it's loaded on the trailer. So as always, welcome to the new subscribers, and thank you for the continued supporters. It really means a lot, especially because I haven't been putting out videos and you guys keep subscribing. So thanks a lot. And y'all have a great night. We'll see you Saturday.